Anna and the Magic Fruit Basket. Learn English with sweet words. Anna was no longer the little girl who once chased butterflies in the garden. She was a woman now, confident but still quietly curious. Her life was full of responsibilities, routines, and silent dreams. But one thing hadn't changed: her love for sweet things. Not just the taste, but the memories they carried. One rainy morning, as she walked into her quiet kitchen, she saw it. A basket, unlike anything ordinary. Elegant, glowing faintly under the pale window light. Golden vines curled around its edges like art. Her breath caught. Tied to the handle, a note with a red ribbon. She unfolded it slowly, fingers trembling. The words were simple, but they stirred something deep. One fruit each day. One word to learn. One sweet surprise. Anna smiled. A new chapter had begun, not just in English, but in rediscovering herself. Day 1. Her fingers brushed against something smooth and round. She pulled it from the basket. Red, glossy, bold, an apple. Apple, she whispered to herself, savoring the sound. She brought it to her nose. The scent, sweet, crisp, fresh, like autumn mornings and warm memories. She took a bite. Crunch. The sound echoed in her quiet kitchen. Inside the apple, something tucked away. Small paper, rolled tight. She unwrapped it. Apple, red, sweet, delicious. She repeated it, voice soft but firm. Red, sweet, delicious. The apple wasn't just food. It was a pause in her day, a moment of learning, of presence. English became more than a language. It was texture, sound, emotion. Day 2. The basket waited, mysterious. Her hand reached in and found something long and smooth, yellow, familiar, a banana. She smiled. Banana, she said aloud. She peeled it slowly, enjoying the ritual. Soft, bright, comforting. Inside the same tiny scroll. Banana, yellow, soft, sweet. She read the words slowly, then again. She touched the fruit's skin, whispered, soft, yellow, banana. She took a bite. The flavor wrapped around her like a warm memory, gentle, reassuring. She closed her eyes. The words sank deeper. English wasn't hard. Not when it came wrapped in softness. Day 3. Her hand found something small and cool. A bunch of grapes, purple, round. She let them spill into her hand like tiny jewels. Grapes, she said, counting them. 1, 2, 10. She plucked one, placed it on her tongue. juicy, sharp, alive. The note said, grape, small, purple, juicy. She said it slowly, letting each word linger. Grape, juicy, purple. She laughed to herself. It was playful, childlike. She imagined grape-scented rain, purple evenings, and juicy clouds. Learning didn't feel like a task. It felt like a game she hadn't played in years. Day 4. Her fingers met something different. Fuzzy, rough, curious. A kiwi. She sliced it open and gasped. Green inside. A secret hiding behind a rough shell. She stared. The note said, kiwi, green, fuzzy, sweet. She whispered, green, fuzzy, kiwi. She touched its skin again, laughed, took a bite. The flavor burst, tangy, sharp, a twist of surprise. She liked that. Not everything had to be simple. Some words, some fruits, had layers, complexity, and beauty in the unexpected. Day 5. She smiled before even reaching in. She already knew this one would be special. Her fingers closed around something small, paired. 2 cherries. Red, round, with long green stems. She brought them to her ears like earrings, just for fun. Looked at her reflection. A woman, still playful, still learning. The note read, cherry, red, small, sweet. She bit into one. Sweet, with a touch of sour. Real. Cherry, red, sweet, small. She whispered it like a spell. English now had music and meaning. Each fruit became a pause, a moment of silence, of sweetness, of clarity. The apple gave her confidence, the banana, softness, the grapes, playfulness, the kiwi, surprise, the cherries, joy. She wasn't just learning English. She was remembering parts of herself she had forgotten. Words turned into feelings. Tastes became memories. This journey wasn't about language anymore. It was about presence, intention. Self, red apple, yellow banana, purple grape, green kiwi, red cherry. She stood there, eyes closed, whispered the names. Apple, banana, grape, kiwi, cherry. Again. Red, yellow, purple, green, red. Once more. Sweet, soft, juicy, fuzzy, small. She smiled. Not just with her lips, but with her whole being. The basket now empty, but her heart full. Her voice stronger, her mind glowing, because she knew this was only the beginning, and tomorrow a new fruit would come, along with it, another beautiful word, another quiet joy, another piece of herself. Did you like Anna's sweet little adventure? Which fruit was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. If this story made you smile, give it a like. Share it with someone learning English too. And don't forget, every word you learn is a step closer to your dream. Subscribe, and let's keep learning, one story at a time. Sure.